for the course basically is very helpful for me to develop my facilitation skills as a MSP facilitator, and then I have learned many tools which can be useful to make my MSP successful. And also I have learned some of the tools which are very helpful to bring the people, like different stakeholders, on a common platform and work towards a common goal. So this is what I'll take back to my work. So basically, to begin with, the first we had a theory about the understanding of the multi-stakeholder processes, because according to us, we came with a mindset that we know everything about MSP. But when we came here, we had a learning board, I can say. That is, in the driving, as we say, L board. So like that, we were still a learning board with the learning board. So we learned about MSP, the concept of multi-stakeholder processes here in the course with a clear understanding. And the course is not only just a theory, but you will be involved into a participatory processes wherein each and every individual who is participating in the course gets an equal opportunity to share their ideas and then to contribute whatever they know. And it will be a participatory process, and some of the tools are like you have some animations. With the animations you are learning something, so it will be fun, and then you learn a lot without putting much effort, I can say. And then one more thing is, like in the multi-stakeholder process, we not only learned in the classrooms, but we were exposed to the field with a successful MSP process, ongoing MSP process, and there we got an opportunity to interact with so many stakeholders involved in the processes and get their views. And then finally we presented our views and whatever the theory we learned into practical. So it was really a very good learning for us, that it's not about only our case, but after going back we can also help others also to develop their stakeholder processes successfully.